सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। बुलावा आए तो मैं भी मदीने ताब करूं, जहाँ भी जाऊं मैं प्यारे नबी की नाम करूं। मैं अपनी मम्मी जबा से नबी का जिक्र करूं, जहाँ भी जाऊं मैं प्यारे नबी की नाम करूं। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम, सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। या नबी 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 या नबी। आओ मनाए जश्न नबी, 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 आओ मनाए जश्न नबी।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, बहुत ही खूब अदायगी की गई है। राइट ऑडियंस, congratulations for your achievements, dear shining little star of our Hijayas. Here on stage we have
आसिम अब्दुल्ला, आहिल इब्राहिम, हयूम हमजा, निदा, मिसबा, नजाम,
Affan, Ehsan and Khalid. Let's see what they have become and what they want to say about their profession.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace be with you. My name is Nida Tahrir, studying in UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am a mother of all professions. I help students gain knowledge. I teach them values and manners. I am also known as second mother. Yes, can you guess me? I am a teacher.
Wow, that was very wonderful. I request the parents to please send Mohsinullah to the participants area of UKG. LKG.
May the peace be with you. I am studying the UKG class. My name is Misbah Fatima. I am studying the UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am the mother of all professions. I help students to gain knowledge and teach them value and manners. I am also known as a second mother. Yes, I am the teacher. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum. May the peace be with you. My name is Sayyid Saad Mahmood of UKG from Hyderabad International School. I am a doctor. I treat patients who suffer from diseases and injuries. I have studied by PC, then studied MBBS. Now I am a successful doctor. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace be with you. My name is Muhammad Ian. I'm studying in UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I check the eyes of the people with machine. I check eyesight problem and prescribe number of access to Nollywood, mobile and TV. I will become weak. I am a pilot. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace be with you. My name is Khaja Khalid Ali. I am studying UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am a pilot. I go higher and higher in the sky, touch the cloud. I fly an aeroplane and a helicopter. Yes, I am a pilot. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace you. My name is Najam. I am studying in UKGB. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I fight for my country. I protect our borders from enemies and terrorists. Everyone sleep peacefully because of our army. I sacrifice my life for the nation. I am a soldier, respect soldiers very. My name is Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum wabarakatuh. With you. I am a policeman. I am a thief. My job is to protect people. I am a purple and red and policeman. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mega peace with you. My name is Mohammad Aramza. I am studying in UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am a doctor. I treat patients who suffer from injuries and diseases. I have studied by PC, then study MBBS. Now I am a successful doctor. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace be with you. My name is Ahil. I am studying in UKGA. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am a doctor. I treat patients who suffer from diseases and injuries. I have studied by PC. Now I am a successful doctor. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace be with you. My name is Afan Sharif. My school name is Hyderabad International School. I am a soldier, respect soldier, Jai Hind. I protect our borders from Indian terrorists. I sacrifice my life for the nation. I am a soldier, respect soldier, Jai Hind.
It was a spectacular performance by these tiny little community helpers. Please give a huge round of applause, audience, for them.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we iron
a huge round of applause, audience. Mashallah, they have done really well. They have shown what all the things they will be doing at home in the morning. One, Mr. Mohammad Farooq sir, our Chadarghat director, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, and director of Khilfat branch, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, to please come on the stage for the award ceremony. First category is Student of the Year. Student of the Year of early program, that is nursery, LKG and UKG. So Student of the Year goes to Abdullah Zaki of Nursery A. Please give a huge round of applause, audience. Second category is Punctual Student of the Year. And the award goes to Mohsin of Nursery B. Punctuality.
It's very tough for the parents to send these small kids to school every day. But mashallah, he has been very punctual to the school, and I think he has scored more than 90% of attendance till now. So please clap and
And
for him.
still he is in nursery. Third category is Disciplined Student of the Year. And the award goes to Amina of UKG. Congratulations, Amina. You are the Disciplined Student of the Year. Next category is Best in English for the academic year 2019 to 2020. And the award for Best in English goes to Ilyas Ahmed of UKGB. Next category we have Best in Reading. Best in Reading for the academic year 2019 to 20 goes to Mohsin Allah Beg of LKGB. Next category we Best in Quran. Best in Reading Quran. And the best student in reading Quran for the academic year 2019 to 20 is Abu Bakr Chaudhary of LKGA. Last award we have for Best in Hamd and Naat for the academic year 2019 to 2020. And the award goes to Amreen of UKGA. Congratulations, Shining Little Stars, for your wonderful recognition. I'd like to welcome our director along with our Exceed coordinator, Meenal ma'am, on stage with a huge round of applause, audience.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Meenal from Exceed. I would like to take today's opportunity to speak to you all about Exceed, about the school, and how does it actually work. So to start with, first of all, I would like to congratulate Hyderabad International School for putting up such a big show and students presenting all the performances with so much of confidence. So huge round of applause for the school. So huge round of applause for the school. And a lot of hard work has been put up by the teachers. Not just in presenting the show, but I feel they put a lot of hard work in implementing Exceed as a program in their schools also. They just don't enter the class without a plan. There is a proper plan that we give. They plan and go and execute the plan according to the activities that is prescribed to them. So huge round of applause for the teachers in the school for putting in so much effort into the child's education. One thing that I would like to start with to understand the Exceed methodology. All of you take your children to park, yes? So why do children love going to park, if anybody could add?
Parents, if anyone wants to answer, please raise your hand and volunteers will bring mics to you. Sirs, can we arrange the mics? Couple of mics for volunteers. Yeah. One of you go on my right hand side and one of you go on my left hand side. So I repeat the question. She was asking, Acha, first of all, let us ask them whether what do they understand by exceed method. Parents, what do you understand by exceed method? Exceed method. Exceed method क्या है? किसी को
Extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities.
Extracurricular activity, no. Anyone else?
To accelerate the students, to bring up their expressions, their thoughts, and whatever talents they have.
Okay, so what we do is, whatever you have said, ma'am, is correct. We try to bring out the thinking skills in the students by doing lot of activities in the class. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि क्लास में अभी ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में क्या होता है कि टीचर क्लास में आते हैं और 2-2, 4-4 लाइन पढ़ते हैं और उसका ट्रांसलेशन करके उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. We don't do that. What we do is, teachers first of all prepare themselves. टीचर्स क्या करते हैं? अपने आप को तैयार करते हैं और तैयार करने के लिए उनको प्लान दिया जाता है और वो प्लान में क्या होता है कि एक चैप्टर जो है